This olive wood. You look at this olive wood, you look at the color of the wood, different. This one lemon wood, the prepared mini pieces. After they make it work by hand. Maybe these pieces, no? Maybe this wood, the pieces, the put of the pieces to what you see, the stop with the toenail. After he make everything by hand.
Wow.
Piece for the pieces, the finish the work for that design, and put the pieces here. Just on the finish the work of that design. After each pieces, the components are similar today for the prepared this work. You look at this, the design, these the pictures, the finish. You see. You look, that one positive, that one negative. Okay? Today, the symbol that prepared the work for the pictures